हेलो एवरीवन। हमने अपने लास्ट रिवीजन क्लास में हमने डिस्कस किया था व्हाट आर डिस्काउंटिंग रेट्स एंड व्हाट आर मार्केटिंग अप्रोच फॉर establishing room rates. Now we will going to discuss forecasting techniques, and before starting the topic we will discuss what actually forecasting is. Forecasting is the technique to estimate based on historical figures, expectation, trends and experience a certain value of an uncontrollable variable for a certain future period of time. Moreover, forecasting cannot be as simple as coming up with a figure solely by considering only historical data without adjusting to other variables like competition, image and risk of country, interest rates, inflation, exchange rates and other economical factors. Therefore, a person who forecasts shall adjust the forecasted figures to the realities and expectations for the upcoming period in question. Then we have different forecasting methods available to calculate the forecasting. Forecasting nights, room nights. First we have the percentage growth method, what we have discussed in classes in detail. हमने percentage growth method के बारे में हमने पढ़ा था. That we assume underlying in this method that data is hand follow either an increasing or decreasing trend. That's why this very method should be used while forecasting only when data matches the assumption. Moving average method. Second method was moving average method. In this method, similar to the percentage growth method, the moving average method assumes an increasing or decreasing trend. This very forecasting techniques aims at smoothing data and adjusts it as it minimizes volatility reflected in a high standard deviation between different records in the same data range. The most common used moving average is the double moving average, which calculates a third column by taking averages of couples of two successive years. Later, the percentage growth method would be applied to the smooth data. Lastly, come up with the forecasted values. And for this, we have already discussed a historical data sample of the historical data in the classes. And then we have the other type of method is weighted average method. In this method, the weighted average method assigns certain importance factors or coefficient to each historical value. Later, the forecasted value shall be computed by the dividing the weighted data to its coefficients by the sum of coefficients. The factors and hence the condition that created the last period demand are assumed to continue, heavily playing an important role in the next period of the forecasted. And the last method is time series analysis. The time series method tries through regression analysis to come up with a line that minimizes the distance between an actual point and curve and its corresponding point on line. Basically, it's a regression analysis and time series analysis. You do the analysis of different times of a same common coefficient factor, and you based upon that you take a decision on data and create a historical data at the same time. Then we have the comparison of these datas. And if we compare the datas of all these methods what we have discussed, the result will be very up near to each other. They will not match exactly, but they will be near somewhat. And with this we are done with this data, and in next class we will discuss how these forecasting data is useful. We will discuss different types of percentages of datas which is helpful for the front office department to create and report for an event or to project for the future. Thank you.